So many beautiful things happening in the crypto market, and my channel is just here to show you guys those beautiful stuff happening. So I think we're done with those days of airdrop. Right now we are in the bull market. The bull market is beginning already. We can see that from the Bitcoin price. We can see how Bitcoin has moved so far in the last few months. Since August, about 2 months from where we are right now, we have seen Bitcoin moved from $30,000 to $50,000. So that's like a week into a new bull market. Therefore, other alternate currencies will be booming to the upper side. So therefore, which one of them are we supposed to buy? So I'm making a lot of videos about different alternate currencies, like this one you're seeing right now, telling you guys the functionality, the price, the awesome innovation they're bringing in, and the possibilities of if these coins are going to do very well in the future. So remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'll never give you financial advice, and my channel is just made in my spare time. I made video in my spare time, just for educational purposes alone. So that being said, let's dive right into the video. So this is Orion. Orion is just like your normal bank, where you deposit your money, and after some time you come back and they give you some certain interest in it. So but this time around, you're not depositing money, you're depositing USDT, you're depositing crypto. And once you do that, Orion takes it and multiply your cash by giving you back your interest. It depends on how long you have deposit. So Orion is just like a bank. The best way I'm going to explain this thing, I'm going to explain Orion to you, is just letting you guys know that it is a bank, and it's just like your Binance, where you can stake, you can save your coins and all of that. So but Orion does theirs in a simple and banking method. You can see it says deposit your stable coins with Orion money. Now you earn up to 20% of Orion money, and once you've done that, there is a technical way this money is being transferred into Terra, that's UST, and from Ethereum Anchor to UST and all of that. And you at the end of the day, you make some cool cash by just saving your cryptocurrency. You can see the APY in stable coins, the APY in Orion token, and other stuff. You can check out the website. Now let's go into CoinMarketCap and let me show you guys a few things. You can see broadly the price here is about 1.92. So the reason why I'm going for Orion money, I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing, what I think. The reason why I'm going for Orion money is because the price is cheap. The volume is looking attractive for what the market cap is at the moment. So I think this one is a good place to invest some cool cash. I think almost $2 is okay, kind of cheap, and that means there's permission for more bullish movement whenever the bull run begins to go up, like I've explained in the earlier parts of this video. So guys, if you've made it up to this part of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate. Click on the bell notification button so you can get notification how we will be uploading a lot of coins. These bullish movements, you can buy all of them, you can buy few of them which you believe in, and my method I use is to buy a lot of coins, like $10 each for every coins, no matter how cheap they are. That way I'll be able to make more money. So the logic I use is like tying my net around the whole, like for one side of the river to the other side of the river. So no matter how many fish goes in, I catch a lot of fishes. Instead of placing my net in one part of the river, I place it all across the river, so I catch a lot of fishes. And therefore I'm not going to just catch fishes, I'm going to catch some debt, I'm going to catch some debris, things that I don't really need. So that means not all of these coins I am buying will make good waves, but I have large probability and opportunity that if I do so, if I buy a lot of coins, no matter how cheap, I have high probability that I'm going to make money faster from any coins that move upward. So that's my own investment strategy. So right now you can get Orion coin from Gate.io. I love to use Gate.io, and I'm going to put the link in the description. I use Gate.io and KuCoin and OKX. Those are the three major exchanges I use that have almost all the coin. If I don't want to go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, I just use Gate.io, and I can easily swap from USDT to those coins, and from any coins to USDT ASAP. So guys, I think I've said it all for this video. I think this is all I can say for now about this. I really don't want to go deep into how this system works. I just want to show you that this coin is available and is there for you to take advantage of it if you want to take advantage of it. My channel and the purpose of this video is just to introduce this coin to you. I'm not really going deep into the system. I've also told you guys what the price will look like. Let's go back there and talk about some price. So now we can see in the last few days we've seen Orion moved all the way from $1 to where it is currently, and in this case I think I'm going to put some cash in it because I think it's not available on TradingView, but from what I can gather from my analysis and looking at the volume in the last 3 months, I think Orion is one of those coins that will move from $2 where it is currently, almost $2 where it is currently. It's going to move from $2 to somewhere around $20, 15 to $20 in the next 6 months. So I think that's a lot of capital gains in return. So I think I'm going to jump into this one and buy some few. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay safe.